Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Halal Times YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of halal skincare. So the topic of today's discussion is about ladies and the people who care about halal cosmetics. So hopefully people will receive it and give their comments at the end of our discussion. And if you got any questions regarding how to get halal certification for skincare products, please do let us know, and we should be able to help you with a suitable organization nearby you. So let's get started. The halal skincare products were initially developed for Muslims. Beauty enthusiasts are now making the switch to halal certified brands because of their many benefits. Paul Cochrane of Dinar Standard states that the trend of halal cosmetics and skincare first started growing in Southeast Asia, South Korean and Japanese markets. But now that beauty enthusiasts are becoming more aware of product ingredients and processes, millennial and Gen Z markets are fueling the demand for halal cosmetics across North America and Europe as well. Halal skincare products have been making waves across the globe because of their ethical and high quality standards. Through these standards, halal skincare products can provide a lot of benefits. And of course, today we would like to discuss at least some of the very first benefit which we could discuss today is that each halal skincare product is pure and hygienic. Halal products need to honor the values and practices of Muslims. As a result, halal certified skincare products undergo a very rigorous strict manufacturing process so that they can comply with the mandates of halal regulatory bodies spread all over the world. A recent study on halal cosmetics revealed that companies have to use production areas with no risk of contamination with non-halal material. On top of that, the pieces of equipment and the equipment cleaning products also undergo quality checking to ensure that the skincare products remain pure from any non-halal ingredients. Even the packaging materials comply with halal standards, ensuring that consumers receive pure and hygienic products only. This is the very first benefit. The second benefit which we would like to mention is that halal skincare products undergo a strict production process. Halal skincare products are different from most skincare products because each ingredient must be traceable and uncontaminated. This rigorous process ensures that each halal skincare product can meet international halal standards and deliver quality to its customers. Since halal products need to be crafted in pure and hygienic conditions, especially impressive that Inika Organics has created high quality skincare products for each type of skin. Inika is one of the company which is halal certified, by the way. They are one of the largest halal cosmetics company in the world, and especially in North America. This skincare brand has created a wide variety of serums, cleansers and moisturizers for each skin type using organic ingredients only. This takes clean beauty to another level, given that each product is hygienic and also good for the skin of anybody. So another benefit which we can derive from using halal skincare products are the ingredients are gentle on the skin. What does it mean? Basically, skin products, as you know, are supposed to support your skin health. Unfortunately, various skin products may contain irritants, toxins or allergens that can cause adverse effects on one's skin. Many halal certified products don't contain animal byproducts and ingredients or ethyl alcohol or GMOs, making them gentle enough for sensitive skins as well. Thanks to their safety guidelines, safe ingredients and ethical production processes, the all natural and fully vegan skincare brand Total has also skincare products that are safe for children's sensitive skin. Despite being mild, these skincare products can fully protect sensitive skin against the sun, wind, and insect bites because of the carefully chosen ingredients. Likewise, halal skincare products can protect your skin health through though mild yet effective ingredients. Another benefit which comes to our mind as far as halal skincare products are concerned is that halal products are environmentally friendly. Beauty enthusiasts are becoming more conscious about the products they use. So aside from looking at the performance of their skincare and cosmetics products, beauty enthusiasts also consider the environmental impact of such each and every single product which they use on in their daily lives. Animal testing is a big concern within the beauty community, and it's driving consumers to switch to more animal friendly products. This ethical concern is one of the reasons why consumers, not only the Muslim consumers but also mainstream consumers, are drawn to halal beauty products. This reassures consumers that they can enjoy quality skincare products when they're also combined with other certifications like animal friendly. Halal skincare products honor the values and practices of Muslim and halal consumers while also meeting the standards that many beauty consumers want but are not generally not able to find in non-halal skincare products. So given the holistic benefits of halal skin products mentioned before, it's no wonder why more beauty enthusiasts are making the switch to these clean, eco-friendly and hygienic products. So thank you so much again. I hope you enjoyed today's discussion. And if you want to ask any more questions regarding halal skincare products, please do let us know. Hopefully, we should be able to help you find your target customers and any potential halal skincare certification organization in your area. Thank you so much and talk to you very soon again, please. Salam alaikum.